How was your last presentation? Did your audience stay focused or get distracted by something else? A recent study by Microsoft concluded that the human attention span has dropped from 12 seconds to 8 seconds in recent years. In order to make your audience remember what you said, your message needs to be processed. My name is Ross, your business English coach. Let's see how we can keep your audience interested until the very last moment. If people are not interested in your presentation, it's probably because they think your message has nothing to do with them. Imagine you are selling a learning program to your client, and you start with, "We are here to introduce our learning program." They might start looking around and lose their focus in just a few minutes. But if you process what you want to say into 3 paragraphs, you will have a better chance to keep your audience attention. First, start with a solid example that people can relate, like, have you ever tried learning a language but got to a point where you felt like you have hit a wall and stopped learning anything new? This is one thing that people may have all experienced before, which people can easily relate. Second, to get everyone on the same page, you can say, "Don't worry, you are not alone. This is what the experts call intermediate plateau." Identifying the problem can let your audience know that you understand their pain. Lastly, we give a specific solution like, we help professionals break through that language barrier and get on the path to fluency in English communication within 12 weeks. By saying all above, we make the audience think that this program might have something to do with me, so they would like to hear more about it. Information processing is to process your message into the form which can be easily accepted by your audience. First, you need to get your audience attention by giving an appealing example. Then, after you resonate with them, your idea will gradually be accepted by your audience and eventually turn into action. People don't need super memory to remember what you said, because deep down inside you have successfully motivated and inspired them. In presentation communication class, you will learn how to structure your message, fascinating speaking skills, powerful word choice, and more importantly, how to manage your presentation anxiety. No matter you're briefing to your boss or giving a proposal to your client or presenting your product to the world, good presentation communication skills will always make you more productive. My name is Ross. I will see you in class.